Welcome to the Ultimate SEO Crash Course. Today we're going to be covering some fundamental things you need to know about SEO or search engine optimization, and how to apply them to your website built with the Easy Website template. We'll keep it simple and easy to understand, so let's dive straight in. SEO is all about making sure your website is easy to find on search engines like Google. When someone searches for something that your website offers, you want to show up as close to the top as possible, right? That's where SEO comes in. If you follow these basics, you'll be on the right path to driving more visitors to your website and getting noticed online. The first thing you need to focus on is keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for information, products, or services. It is important that the keywords you're targeting are actually searched by real people. If no one is searching for the keywords you're optimizing for, even the best SEO will not help. You can use free tools like Google Keyword Planner or Rank Math, which we will use later, to find out how often certain keywords are searched. For example, if you run a local business, you may want to include words like plumber in Atlanta or best home inspector in Houston in your content. Make sure your keywords are relevant to your business and your audience. Now, I know this sounds obvious, but one of the biggest mistakes people make is writing content just for the search engines, stuffing it with keywords. You want to avoid that. When you create content, always think about the people visiting your site first. Is the content helpful? Does it answer their questions? That's the kind of thing that Google loves. Your content should be natural and easy to read. If your website visitors like it, search engines will too. So where do you put these keywords once you found them? Your keywords should appear naturally in the following places. In the title, this is one of the most important places for your keyword. Make sure your page or blog post title contains your primary keyword. And it's best if the keyword is closer to the front of your title. In the content, you want to sprinkle your keywords throughout your content, but don't overdo it. A general rule of thumb is to aim for 1 to 2% keyword density, which means your keyword should appear once or twice every 100 words. But don't stress too much about the numbers. Focus on making it sound natural. Last but not least is your headings. Use your keywords and subheadings like your H2 or H3 tags where it makes sense. This helps search engines understand the structure of your content. Two more key SEO elements are meta titles and meta descriptions. These are bits of text that appear in the search engines and tell both the search engines and the user what the page is about. Meta titles should be short, sweet, and include your primary keyword. Try to keep it under 60 characters to avoid it getting cut off in the search results. Meta descriptions. This is your chance to give a short summary of what the page is about and why someone should click. Make it engaging and include your keyword, but don't make it too long. Stick to around 150 to 160 characters. And don't worry about writing these. We will use the free SEO prompt that comes with the Easy Website template to write these throughout the website. Now, you don't need to worry about doing all of this manually. With the Easy Website template, we'll be using the Rank Math WordPress plugin to help with all of your on-page SEO. Rank Math will guide you through optimizing each page and blog post, making sure you're hitting the right keyword placements, meta tags, and more. It's a fantastic tool to ensure your SEO is done right as you build out your website without overwhelming you. To recap, good SEO starts with targeting the right keywords, creating content that is helpful for your visitors, and making sure you're using keywords naturally in titles, headings, and meta descriptions. With tools like Rank Math, the heavy lifting of on-page SEO will be handled for you as you build each page of your site. Remember, SEO isn't something you set up once and forget about. It's a long-term strategy. But if you get the basics right from the start, you'll be in great shape. That's it for this crash course. I hope you found this helpful, and I can't wait to see how your website grows. As always, be great, stay boosted, and I'll see you in the next video.